how to delete your Gmail account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Gmail account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to delete your Gmail account from other devices, open up the Gmail application over here, and then from the very top right hand side, just tap on your Gmail profile and make sure this is the correct account. If not, then switch it. Then from here you'll find this option here that says manage your Google account. Just tap on manage your Google account. Then after you come to this page, you want to simply go to this particular tab known as security. Once you go to security, you can simply scroll down to the very bottom. Then you'll find the option called your devices. Now under your devices, if you look, you'll find manage all devices. Tap on manage all devices button here, and as you do that, you should be able to see a couple of options. So here, if you don't recognize a certain device, you can select that, and after you select that, you can basically just tap the sign out button, then tap on sign out to log out your Gmail or Google account from those devices. This way you can delete your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.